Hi everyone. Notice there's quite a lot of Swiss Army knife reviews, but there isn't one for my main Swiss Army knife, which is the Victorinox Explorer. I think this is a brilliant knife for just everyday and sort of scouting, outdoors, camping kind of things. Run through the main tools. See, it's got the standards of the can opener and the bottle opener. I don't know if you can see the bottle opener, it's better on my t-shirt. 6mm screwdriver, 3mm screwdriver, can opener, which actually has quite a good edge, but we just about get the shine on there. Can opener, bottle opener, and the wire stripper, which is completely pointless because you've got a knife, so you can strip wires with that. And we go into the tool that makes it an Explorer, which is the magnifying glass, which is actually pretty good. Can't quite start a fire with it. I've tried in very sunny days and failed, so I'm sure it is possible in a survival situation, but not really designed for it. Then we have the very useful Phillips head screwdriver. I like it being there instead of on the corkscrew because I actually use the corkscrew, so I like that. Then have standard scissors with the spring, which is replaceable if you break it. Good strong, got paper, card, wouldn't try and cut any wire with them, but then the scissors, so you shouldn't anyway. Have the main blade, so you can see the edge on it there. It does come very sharp. I wouldn't say it's shaving sharp, but then it's a pen knife, so it does all it needs to do as a pen knife. Sharpens up quite well with the steel. Just try and maintain the edge, don't use a stone on it because you'll just wreck it. Just use a steel, keep it sharp. When you're finished, been away for a weekend, come back, sharpen it up with the steel, or take the steel with you every time you use it. Just give it a quick blast and it'll be stay sharp forever. Then we have the more useful blade in my opinion, which is the little blade. Smaller, more control over it, good for cutting little notches or nicks into wood. You don't really need to use a big knife to open a parcel, do you? Just use the little blade. Again, use the steel, keep it sharp. Got the corkscrew, which I said I do actually use. I find it very useful. Go away for a weekend, you don't want to. You buy the wine, you forget your corkscrew. You've got a corkscrew. Obviously, as long as you're over 18 or 21, depending on where you're from and where you live. Inside the corkscrew bit, there's a little pin, not a sewing needle, pin head there, good for getting out splinters or popping blisters. It just goes into just in there. So. Then we have the multi-purpose two-position hook, which has multiple purposes apparently, but I can't see too many of them. For when you've got your fish on a chain, you can carry it easier than carrying a chain, or use it for moving parcels with string, or if you work in a newsagents or a shop and you get big piles of newspaper, carry on with that, a lot more comfortable. And that's a lot comfier than carrying a little piece of cord, isn't it? And then finally, on the main tools, it's a reamer, which is very useful for putting holes in belts. It's got a very good edge on it, I don't know if you can see the shine there, but it does hold a good edge. Again, maintain it with the steel, it will stay sharp. I've bored holes through wood with this. And then we have the sewing eye as well. It's good for fixing canvas tents, like patrol tents, mess tents, that kind of thing. I wouldn't advise really doing it on a nylon tent because you'd probably just make things worse. Use duct tape and then fix it when you get home. And final two things are the very predictable tweezers and the very predictable toothpick. Yep, and then obviously it has the keyring, which I don't really class as a tool, so I'm not going to say anything about that. Just to compare it in size, this blade is about 3 inches. This is the Victorinox Waiter, another brilliant knife, which I might review later, and that is a 2 3/4 blade, slightly smaller. And then I couldn't find my classic, but we have the Leatherman Micro, which is about a 2-inch blade. There you go, just to give you the size comparison. Put the board up. There we go. I've got a ruler as well. There you go. So that is the Victorinox Explorer. Brilliant knife, I'd recommend it to anyone.